Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing here some trade with candlestick psychology. This is OTC market today, and I place my trade with candlestick psychology and explain it also. So let's enjoy. So this is GBP USD pair OTC market, and uptrend, strong uptrend here. Yes, I take my trade in higher direction. So let's see what will happen here. So this is my winning trade. I am explaining here the reason of my taking the trade. So this is a strong uptrend here. The market started to go up from this level, strongly broke this 50 EMA line, and started to moving above this 50 EMA line strongly. So it's obviously a very strong movement of buyers, and this is spinning top candle, this is spinning top candle, this is inverted hammer candle. All these candles are sign of continuation. So that's why I placed my trade in higher direction, and this is my winning trade. So let's see another pair for next opportunity. This is Euro USD pair. I place my trade in lower direction. So let's see what will happen here. Yes, this is my another winning trade. I am explaining here the reason of me taking that trade. So this is a strong downtrend here. The market is moving below 50 EMA line. So from this point, market started to go up. So observe here, first of all, the market is a strong downtrend here, and this one and this one, these two candles is not too strong candle to continue the uptrend or make strong uptrend from this level. The market didn't make any pattern, chart pattern here to continue this trend in upper direction, create a new trend in the upper direction. So that's why I place my trade in lower direction after these two candles, and this is my winning trade. So let's go another pair. So this is USD CHF pair, and the market is also downtrend here. I took my trade in lower direction, so let's see what will happen here. So this is my another winning trade. I am explaining here the reason of my taking the trade. So I actually took my trade because of this level. There is a level here, and the previous candle, this candle exactly close in this level, and there is strong rejection, and after that there is another candle goes up, broke the level. That's why I took my trade, and it didn't make any higher high. This is high, this didn't make any high. So it's my confirmation that the market didn't go up. At least one or two candle goes down, and after that the candle goes up. That's why I place my trade in lower direction above this level, taking some margin of safety, and the market closed below my entry point, and this is my winning trade. So let's go another pair for next opportunity. So this is Euro GBP pair OTC market. I place my trade in lower direction. So let's see what will happen here. The market is making small candle, so no problem, it's a strong downtrend. I think I must win the trade. So let's see what will happen here. Yes, this is my also winning trade. I am explaining here the reason of my taking the trade. So this is strong downtrend here, and this is only bullish candle, doji type candle, but it's green color. So it's just like a doji type candle, but it's not a doji. Doji color is others. Doji color is I think gray color, and after this candle the market again started to go down, and it's make a new low here. This is my confirmation that the next candle goes down, because this is downtrend and the market is moving below 50 EMA line. That's why I took my trade in lower direction, and this is my winning trade. So this is all about my today's trading, and I always told one thing, that this is OTC market. OTC market is not real market, and OTC market is little bit risky market. So for newcomers or for new traders, it's very risky market. So for new traders, they should not take any trade in this OTC market without any experience. So thank you for watching my videos.